In this video, I will show you how to block friends on Roblox. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, if you want to go ahead and block a friend on Roblox, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to roblox.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, come across to the menu on the left-hand side and click onto Friends to be taken to your Friends page. Next, what you want to do is come up to the top, click onto Friends to make sure you're on your Friends page, and then what you want to do is find the friends that you want to block. So if you can't see them here, you can use the search box to search for the friend that you want to block. Once you found them, go ahead and click onto their profile picture, and that's going to take you across to their profile page. Now, from here, if you actually come up to the three dots up here next to the Unfriend button, give this a click. This is going to bring up a menu. As you can see, there is an option here to block user. So what you want to do is give that a click. Then it's going to come up with a pop-up warning saying, are you sure you want to block this user? When you've blocked a user, neither of you can directly contact the other. So to confirm, just simply click the block button here. And what that's going to do is block this person. To unblock anyone at any point, all you need to do is come back onto their profile. Again, come and click onto the three dots, and you're going to see an option here to unblock user. So that is how to block friends on Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.